You ain't about it. You ain't a rider, fuck boy, you a biter. Your main bitch slid up inside her. For your niggas, would you ride or die?
Alright, y'all. I don't know what time it is in the morning. It's about, let's see. It's 6:45 on the dot, East Coast time. So we finna make a little quick breakfast real quick with some leftovers. I just washed out the pan. We get this angle right here. So we got a little butter. We got the pan skillet, whatever y'all call it. We got a couple of eggs. We're gonna mix it in with some yellow rice. And if you know anything about this, you know about amarillo arroz con frijoles y huevos. Basically eggs, rice, and beans mixed together, and I got some meat in the hot links in the
Experience
stove.
cordless deep cleaning for your new home. With powerful Dyson suction and versatile tools for a fresh start. Pioneering Dyson technology. Find the right vacuum for your home.
I don't know why this bitch ain't. Yeah, we're going. You know what? I need to let the sausages get done first, so we're gonna turn the stove off. So, guys, we'll be back. Okay, guys, so I had to do another video because that one was silent, so I'll do voiceover on that one. So we're gonna carefully crack these eggs. Okay, we're gonna turn it down. I'm going to put some salt and pepper in here, Himalayan salt, pink salt to be exact. And then I will add the rice temporarily. So give me a second, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So we finna hook it up with some pepper, as y'all see. We're gonna hook it up with some crushed peppers, which y'all know I love. And we finna hook it up with some Himalayan salt. Now, so y'all, before the eggs got done, I added some rice and stuff, like I said. I'm about to mix it together, put a little water in there so it won't stick or burn. Okay, so there's the eggs. I'm about to hook up the sausage in there. I like mine well done, so I'm about to cut these up. Okay, y'all, I finally got the sausages and bell peppers cut up. So we just added them, as y'all seen. And I'm finna add these together. The tomatoes weren't good, so I had to throw them out. And then I'll add my spinach later. So y'all know I try to keep healthy. You know, some of y'all take y'all egg yolks out. You know, I might start that later once I get to that point in my journey. But so we're gonna do a smoothie that I made the other day. Well, my wife, she knows, she's seen it. And then I'm about to, as y'all see, I got bell peppers, sausages, rice, different ingredients, herbs, spices, and rice and beans. So let's get it together. We're gonna make a breakfast wrap, basically. So y'all already know what time I'm on. Y'all know I gotta put my cheese on here. We're gonna do the American cheese though. I usually use my Perez Mexican cheeses, but we're gonna use the American today, child. So we're gonna let that cook a bit. And then I'm about to get them cheeses over here, and I gotta get the wrap. All right, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. A lot of y'all may not do this. So what I do when it's real, I like my shell to be a little warm. So what I do, I put it over the food that I'm cooking, and then I switch it over to the other side. And then I put my cheeses on there just so it could get warm. I like my food warm, or at least room temperature, but not too hot. Otherwise, I would have put it in the oven or the microwave. But this one just gives it that extra oomph to it. So yeah, I just put it up in this thing. I'm finna wrap it up. Put my hot sauce up in there. We already got the crushed peppers. I like to reuse shit, so I'm reusing them. The stuff I had in there originally, but watch me do this thing and serve, baby.
Pockets real heavy, rocket launcher on steady.
Shopping
sprees embedded.
Holiday, this your boy KJ. I need y'all to do me a favor. Make sure y'all run these numbers up. Sub to me on all platforms.
I'm in love with
I need to get these up. Let me know where you from, where you tapping in at. Leave comments below. Make sure you go check out my podcast. I interview up and coming artists. Make sure you add me on YouTube. The link is in my bio up there. Make sure y'all follow me on all platforms. Follow your boy King, you heard? If you want to interview, send me your stuff. I'll check you out and I get back at you, because after 2021, I'm charging. Yes, this is my brand. This shit is for real. This is my bread and butter, you heard? You need video shot for your music? Holla at your boy. You need a photo shoot done? Cop your hoodies for you and your girl right now. You know it's cuddle season. Get your t-shirts and enjoy it during the fall season. You want your hair done? Hit me up. I am available for hire wherever you're located. Available for purchase now are King Royalty Trio Clippers. You have the selection of the Knight in Shining Armor. And we also have the Rose Gold right here that you're able to cop. All lovely. Shop with me at Royal Abundance Beauty Co. Check us out on TikTok. Available now. We have our Royalty Trees Beauty Collection. Check us out. Available on our store. Don't forget about the children. We have our Desires Princess Touch collection for the children, ages 2 up to the 20 ages. Last and not least, we have our Kingdom Reign collection. You want to cop this, his and hers, unisex. We got them in all sizes, from small, extra smalls, up to 6X. Yes, 6X, y'all.
You ain't about it. You ain't a rider, fuck boy, you a biter. Your main bitch slid up inside her. For your